Good morning, my dear students. You can get the whole syllabus for the academic year 2020-21 from this channel. Today, our topic is Theorem 6.4, 6.5 from Triangles, class 10. And this theorem is if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle and the sides including this angle are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. For this purpose, we have to draw two triangles. Let it be triangle ABC and it is DEF. So we have to write given that in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A equal to angle D, and if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of other triangle, means these two angles are equal, and the sides including these angles, the included side of angle A is AB and AC, and included side of angle D is DE and DF. These are proportional, means AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, and AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. We need to prove that then the two triangles are similar, means triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So for this purpose we need construction. The construction is similar to the construction of theorem 6.4 and theorem 6.3. It is, let's take a point on DE such that AB equal to DP, and let's take a point Q on DF such that AC equal to DQ, and join PQ. So we can write cot DP that is equal to AB and DQ that is equal to AC, and join PQ. It is our construction. So P is a point on DE and Q is a point on DF, and we have to join PQ. For let's prove this. See, it is given that AB by DE equal to AC by DF. Let's start our proof from here, that AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, or this implies that in place of AB we can write DP, and in place of AC we can write DQ. So it will be DP by DE is equal to DQ by DF, or this implies that DP by DE equal to DQ by DF. From here we can get dP by PE equal to dQ by QF, as we have proved earlier. So if dP by PE is equal to dQ by dF, then PQ must be parallel to EF from theorem 6.2. That is, if a line divides two sides of a triangle in equal ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. So PQ is parallel to EF. If two lines are parallel and there is a transversal, then the corresponding angles must be equal. So angle P and E are corresponding angle, and angle Q and angle F are corresponding angles. So these two pair of angle must be equal to each other, means angle P equal to angle E and angle Q equal to angle F. Let it be equation 1. Now comparing triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. Let's compare this. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, what are equal? AB equal to DP. By construction, AB and DP are equal, and AC is equal to DQ, that is also from construction, and it is given that angle A equal to angle D, and angle A is equal to angle D. This implies that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ by SAS criterion of congruency. SAS criteria of congruency of triangle. If two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles must be equal. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, angle A equal to angle D, it is also given. Still we can write, and angle B is equal to angle P, and angle C is equal to angle Q. This implies that also write angle A is equal to angle D and angle B equal to. In place of angle P, we have proved that angle P equal to angle E. So in place of P, we can write angle E. And angle C is equal to, we have proved angle Q and angle F are equal. So in place of Q, we can write angle F. So three angles of triangle ABC are equal to the three angles of triangle DEF. So by AAA criterion for similarity of triangle, we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. It is proved. We have proved this theorem by taking DE is greater than AB. If DE is less than AB, then also the proof will be similar. So my dear students, you can watch every time this video, and you can also write this in the message box. If you have any doubt, then you can send me, or you can also suggest me if I can improve this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the notification button so that I can provide you every time the new video. So my dear student, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.